Instant Pot Ultra 6 QT 10-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, sauté, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer. Instant Pot Ultra electric pressure cooker is the next generation in kitchen appliances. A central dial with a simple turn and press provides added precision in program selection and adjustment. New features: altitude adjustment, cooking indicator, and a steam release reset button. The Ultra button for custom programming. The new features include sterilize, cake and egg programs. Replaces 10 common kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice porridge cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, sauté searing, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer. Developed with the latest third-generation technology with an embedded microprocessor. The microprocessor monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration. Product dimensions 33 x 31.8 x 31.8 cm, all certified with 11 safety features to provide peace of mind. New steam release reset button for safer handling. All components in contact with food are food grade 304 and 18/8 stainless steel. Accessories included steam rack with handles, recipe booklet, serving spoon, soup spoon, measuring cup. Power supply 120 V 60 Hz. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.